Poke salad is not a dish you stumble into. It is a food of knowledge, memory, and survival. Long before it appeared in Southern folklore, poke salad lived in the woods and fence lines, waiting for those who knew how to recognize it. Enslaved people did. When rations ran low and gardens were bare, they turned to the land itself, carrying generations of plant knowledge passed quietly, often in whispers. Poke salad came from young pokeweed leaves, gathered early in the spring when hunger was sharpest and crops were not yet ready. Plant was dangerous if treated carelessly, and everyone knew that. What made poke salad possible was not luck, but wisdom, knowing when to pick, how to prepare, and how to make something nourishing from what others feared or ignored. This was not a food of convenience. It took time. Time to clean, time to cook, time to wait. In a world where enslaved people were denied control over almost everything, that patience became a form of power. Poke salad filled bellies, but it also affirmed something deeper. We still know what we are doing. Seasoned simply, sometimes with salt, sometimes with a little fat if it could be spared, poke salad wasn't meant to impress. It was meant to sustain. It appeared on tables during lean months, shared among families, elders reminding the young which plants could heal and which could harm. Today, poke salad is often misunderstood, reduced to novelty or folklore. But its true story is one of survival through knowledge. It stands as a reminder that enslaved people were not just fed, they fed themselves when they had to, using intelligence, memory, and a deep relationship with the land. Poke salad is not just a dish. It is a testament, a quiet declaration that even in bondage, wisdom endured, and hunger did not erase it. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.